Congressman Erwin Tulfo and Richard Gomez figured in a heated exchange in Congress. Tulfo wanted to amend the Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act of 2002 to prohibit media personnel in anti-drug operations. He said this is for their safety and balanced reporting. But Gomez said this was already tackled before and it is now up to the Senate to approve the same amendment.
Since kayo po ay malakas po sa Senado, baka pwede pong sila pong sabihan ninyo, tapos na po tayo sa amendments natin.
Pagdating ho natin doon, Mr. Speaker, we will do that.
Congratulations po at inamin nyo na talagang panalo na kayo sa Senado.
So, hindi ko inaasahan Tulfo versus Gomez. Pero
But you have to remember kasi si Richard Gomez, no, artista pa lang yan, meron siyang grupo yung MAD.
MAD, mamamayan
Diba?
ayaw sa droga.
So talagang nasa advocacy din ni Goma, ni Congressman Gomez, is yung certain measures against drugs. He's always been vocal about that.
Tapos naging issue din talaga yan yung isasama ba yung media sa operation. Tapos pagka kasama sila, dapat willing silang mag-testify. Dito yata yung sinasabi ni Congressman Tulfo, ni Erwin Tulfo, na parang may section doon na wag nang isama yung media doon sa parang inventory ng mga...
You can remove the section. Kasi ang nangyayari when you confiscate drugs, it's up for presentation sa judge. And ang nagiging issue kasi, madaming bumabalik sa merkado sa drugs. So parang sino yung leak? Sino yung kumukuha nitong mga supply? Minsan, kunyari, may 2 tonelada ang na-confiscate, biglang 1 ton na lang ang napasok sa inventory. So sinasabi nila, how do we go about securing yung drugs na nako-confiscate na hindi lalabas sa merkado ulit bago pa dumating sa judge. So parang these amendments are saying, pag nakita ng media, they will sign off on the document na they are witness to it. Ngayon, nakikita ko yung point ni Congressman Tulfo is, teka lang, ang media personnel, we're here kasi to report unbiased. Ang problema, if you're engaged in that, tapos may sign off ka, meron kang possible repercussions from the syndicates, from people who are doing this kabalastugan.
Pero sinasabi naman ni Congressman Gomez, Richard
Tapos
Gomez,
na.
Natanggal na yun, Senado na lang inaantay.
Nakita ko lang yung point ni Congressman Tulfo na yung i-remove. Okay ako doon. Ang problema, hindi niya alam kasi na natakal na sa Congress. So sa Senado na lang.
Oo.